Yo, what's up, man? I'm back. It's the pilot. You know? Before we get started, like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Man, today I'm gonna get right into it real quick. This shoe is old. Okay, it came out a while back. Just doing some browsing. I'm bored. Let me see what's on Nike.com. Oh, these Fear of God joints. Sitting there in my size. 14. Okay? Fear of God Skylon. Now, I'll be honest with you. I like the shoe. Would I buy it if it wasn't a Fear of God shoe? Absolutely not. Okay, I probably would have bought this instead because it looks a little bit better. A little bit more sleek, got an air bubble in it. But it's a Jerry Lorenzo shoe. How often do you come across a Jerry Lorenzo shoe for retail that's under 200 bucks? So I got these for $150 online. They only have a size 14 and 15. I wear 13, 14. Fits me perfect. It's an all-white shoe, man. It's an Air Pegasus, basically, from what I know, my knowledge. You guys are more of a sneakerhead than I am. But you know, you can always make something like this work with an outfit. It's good to have in your collection if you're a collector. Also, this is just a pretty decent shoe. It's an everyday shoe. Nothing extremely special about it other than it being a Fear of God shoe, which Fear of God stuff is has a little bit better quality than some of the other Nikes that come out. But I'll get right into the details of the shoe real quick. One thing that I like about it is the perforated tongue right here. But we'll talk about the rest of it. It has 3M on the front. I think it's some 3M on the back, but I'm not really sure. I think I saw it on somebody else's review, which made me get it. The one thing that I see, the one real big flaw on this shoe that I see already, that's gonna bother me, man. As soon as you get, I'm gonna tell you right now, from me just looking at it and touching it, it's like a white suede right here. That is gonna dirty up extremely fast if you don't do anything about it. So I suggest whatever type of protector you got, if you get these in the white, these Skylons in white, you got to spray them down with some type of protector. It came with those regular round laces. I automatically took those out, and as you can see, I put the fat laces in. I like kind of like the vintage look, vintage feel. The swoosh is patent leather right here, and it says Fear of God right here. And is this a Nike sign upside down? Kind of like a swoosh right here. On the back, it's Nike Air. And guys, I don't wanna like overhype it like it's something super special. I'll give you your own foot. But I mean, as far as like putting an outfit together with this, I mean, it's basically just like a white sneaker with a black swoosh. Like it, you know, I kind of put it on lines as far as style, like an Air Force One or something. But I mean, I wouldn't get too excited about it. Other than, like I said before, other than it being a Jerry Lorenzo shoe, it's not that big of a deal. But with the box, I know somebody's watching. Let me see the box. Comes in this bright orange box right here. I don't know if you can see that branding right there, the Fear of God joint. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Tell me what you think, man. I know they came in other colorways. They got a black one, and I think they have like a gray colorway. I didn't talk about this, but it has these little lace locks on it, which is pretty cool. But this shoe is not anything super amazing, so I don't think it's going for a lot on the resale market. But I definitely wouldn't pay over 200 bucks for this shoe, period. And maybe I'm wrong. I haven't even looked at the resale market right at this point to see how much they're going for, but they had them in my size for 150 bucks on Nike.com. So guys, that is pretty much it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later.